Where's your num num num? Huh? You go get your food. Where is it? Oh, there it is. Uh-oh, you gotta go bug Granny for food. Granny's not gonna let you bug her. You better get your num num num. Where is it? Is it right here? There it is. It's right there. Come on. Look. Come on. Come on.
What was it like?
Dr. Rosen had an agenda.
Here you go. What's up?
Getting in the way of my
Come on.
I'm all for quitting something you don't like.
Are you a little pooper?
You're baby.
That's good.
Bacon can't save it. Nothing. I never even knew this part was here.
Oh, yeah.
You made a
I sit around
mess.
time with my dad.
Hey, where are you going?
Kind of had a, well, you know, when I was having a bad day, open up the door and say, "Come on, Peanut, let's go find some fun."
That's nice.
Yeah. He used to stand at the bottom of that slide, arms wide open, beer in one hand, cigar in the other. Just kind of stopped me with his foot.
The more I hear about him, the more I like him. Ah, jeez, it's my mother.
Just glad she calls and doesn't send her flying monkeys.
I'm pressing ignore.
Look at you.
Yeah, I happen to know she's making cobbler tonight.
Well, how about this?
What are you doing?
Setting some boundaries and take a spin on the
Okay, you go get your food. Where's your food? Are you hungry?
First one there is a square.
Huh?
I taught fourth grade. I can go all day.
You don't want your SpaghettiOs?
We go back in the day.
I like spaghetti. And spaghetti likes me. Where's num num num?
Dr. Rosen?
Oh, it's that pistachios.
Don't.
Oh, can you get those pistachios? You can't get them in there.
I had some time left over.
Now what are you after?
Stormed out. I was hoping maybe we could pick up where we left off.
What do you have?
Thank you.
Are you trouble? Where's Mom?
I just chose a chair right
Go
away.
get Mom.
Making progress.
Go give Mom a kiss.
You would know. You are the one who aced.
Can you give Mom a kiss?
Psychology course.
Aw, you kisses.
What's on your mind?
Well,
Are you a good boy?
I think I'm ready to fill in some of those blanks.
About your phone.
Yes. So, what do you want to know?
Why
What's
do you use
that?
this phone?
Okay, and I know there's something there with TV, my dad. I just I don't know what
What
it
you doing,
is.
Booper?
Every time I
What are you
think
doing?
about him, I have to stop because I just feel
Are you a good boy?
too much.
What do you feel?
Well, you are nosy, huh?
Thank you.
Feel the usual, sad, I miss him, guilty.
Guilty.
Are you a good boy?
Yes,
Why guilty?
Hmm?
I'm so mad at him.
Why are you mad?
You left me, you know? You're supposed to be there
What
for
you
me,
doing?
and he died.
Where's
And
Mom?
was it?
You don't have anything to
Yeah,
say?
10 years old, I had to step up and be the responsible one.
Are you, hey, no, no,
Why did you
no.
take on that role?
No, no,
She
no.
forgave
Don't
it,
bite
my
the
mom and
leather.
sister.
I'll get you.
I had to
Here it come.
grow up really fast.
I'm gonna
Do the
get
right
you.
thing and get good grades and find a steady job.
Sounds like
What
you
you
were
doing, silly? You hungry?
In the laundry pile, I was
You hungry? No?
So all this
You not hungry?
seems like you were making up for lost time.
You're just into. Oh, do you need to
By
file your beak?
experiencing the childhood.
You're gonna file
You
your
put on
beak
hold.
now. Are you filing your
Today?
beak?
that makes me sound like less of a nut job.
Well, I can assure you, Miss Flynn, you are not a nut job.
Mom, if you could write that down so I can show my No, really, could you?
Oh, you really want that?
You know all my craziness lately is because of you, right?
What did I do?
Where's Mom?
First of all, big mistake is making me feel
Where's
so
Mom?
safe.
Where's Mom?
I haven't had stability like that since my dad.
She's behind you.
Because of that, I've been trying new things.
Mom's eating num num num.
Kinda
Where's
keep
num
this
num num?
I haven't done since I was younger.
So if I was a no good, hard drinking loser, you'd still be a teacher?
You try to come up here? Can you come up here? Want to come? Oh, did you do a good poop? You did. Come here, step up. Come. Here.
Sure did like cheap beer.
Here, buddy. There you go.
But you taste a cheap cigar.